Okay, so in 2.6, we're going to look at derivatives of a to the x and log base a of x. Theorem 12 tells us that the derivative of a to the x can be written as the natural log of a times a to the x. So let's differentiate these four problems. So we have y equals 12 to the x. Extremely straightforward. Y prime is going to equal, in this case, a is 12, so the natural log of 12 times 12 to the x. Nice, pretty straightforward. We have g of t equals 11 to the t. So g prime of t, in this case our a is 11, so it becomes the natural log of 11 times 11 to the t. Here we have y equals 3 times 11 to the x. First of all, make sure you don't multiply 3 times 11 to make it 33. So y prime is going to be 3 times, for the 11 to the x, it becomes the natural log of 11 times 11 to the x. And you can write it just like that. And then finally on this page, I want you to notice that because it is a little bit difficult to see, but that x to the 5th plus 6, that's all an exponent. So we'll have y equals, a is 5. So it's going to be the natural log of 5 times the 5x to the 5th plus 6, and then times the derivative of that exponent. So 5x to the 4th. So that's where that came from. That's the derivative of the exponent. When you're typing this in, it's going to be very easy to mess up. So make sure that you are tabbing and in the right place so the computer doesn't count it wrong. Staying on the same topic, here we have a equals 500 times 1.744 to the t. So a prime is equal to 500 times the natural log of 1.744 times 1.744 to the t. And we don't multiply the 500 times the 1.744. You cannot stress that enough. This one, we are going to have to use our product rule. So you kind of go backwards. It's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So that gives us the natural log of 6.3 times 6.3 to the x. And we don't need to go any further than that. That's our answer. Here is a nice one where we have to remember our quotient rule. They never go away. So it's low d high. So the derivative of 2 to the x is going to be the natural log of 2 times 2 to the x. So low d high minus high d low. So the derivative of 5x is 5, and the 2 drops off. Do not multiply the 2 and the 5 to get 10 to the x. Over low. So the 5x plus 2 squared. And we can stop right there. Now we're going to look at Theorem 13, where we're doing the derivative of log base a of x. That's going to give us 1 over the natural log of a times 1 over x, or 1 over x natural log of a. So our next one, let's call this one 8. We have y equals log base 13 of x. So y prime will equal 1 over the natural log of 13 times 1 over x, which we can write as 1 over x times the natural log of 13. And of course you can jump straight to that if you are comfortable with that. Here we have g of x equals log base 43 of 6x minus 5. So g prime is equal to 1 over the natural log of 43 times 1 over the 6x minus 5 times the derivative of the 6x minus 5, which is 6. So we will have our final answer be 6 over 6x minus 5 times the natural log of 43. Now we have, I forgot what number I'm on. Let me go. I am on I think I'm on number 10. If I'm off, I'm off. All right, so we have y equals log base 6 of x to the 4th plus x. So y prime will equal 1 over the natural log of 6 times 1 over the x to the 4th plus x times, remember to find the derivative inside the parentheses. So the derivative of x to the 4th is 4x to the 3rd. The derivative of x is 1. And so our final answer would just be 4x to the 3rd plus 1 over the x to the 4th plus x times the natural log of 6. And then finally, let's look at one more, number 11. This is also one where we're going to have to use the product rule. So y prime, the derivative of the first is going to be 1 over wait a minute, sorry. Let me start that again. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the first, which is the natural log of 11 times 11 to the x. So that's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So 1 over the natural log of 7 times 1 over x. And we can just compress it a little bit. And that is